Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show you a very quick and easy recipe which is a vegetarian crumb mushroom snack. You can crumb your mushroom with eggs, but today we are doing an eggless recipe. So here I have 250 grams of button mushroom. I also got buttermilk, which I'm going to use 1 cup. And then to season, I'm going to sprinkle paprika, a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, and sprinkle in some mixed herbs. Thereafter, I'm starting off with half a cup of flour and half a cup of breadcrumbs. To this mushroom, I'm going to add in 1 cup of the buttermilk, to this buttermilk, I'm going to add a generous grain of salt and a generous grain of black pepper. I'm going to give my mushroom a good mix up so the buttermilk can soak into the mushroom with the salt and the pepper. I'll cover this and leave it to rest for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes has passed and I'm ready to season my flour. I'm going to give a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, a sprinkle of mixed herbs, and a sprinkle of paprika. I give this a mix. To this mushroom, I'm going to give it a double dip. I'm using my hands so it will be easy for me to pick each mushroom individual. I dip it to my flour. And I allow this to rest on my rack. We will carry on doing this till I finish. So now I'm done with my flour. I quickly will wash my hands and get back. I am ready to double dip my mushroom, and here I have fine breadcrumbs. So going back into my buttermilk, so this is how the double dip is. I'm going to continue repeating till I'm done. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and here I have about 3 centimeters of oil, of which I'm gonna deep fry my mushroom. I've got my first batch of mushroom ready to fry, and while it's frying I will get the rest done. I will place in my 6 mushrooms and thereafter lower my heat. I'm going to allow this to fry till it's golden brown, and in the meantime I'm going to finish off the rest of my mushroom. My first batch is almost ready, and another thing, must never try to overcrowd the pan, and because mushroom has a lot of water, be careful of the splashing. And when you take your first batch out, you have to strain up the oil for your next use. The reason being, the next batch will get black with the crumbs that on the bottom. So this batch is ready to be taken out. Let's see, it's nice and golden brown, fried in low heat. To this point, I'm ready to serve this first batch. Here's my crumb mushroom, which is nice and golden brown and served with a lovely dip on the side. This can also be a great idea for your starters or some platters for when you're having a party. Thanks for watching and enjoy.